I'll do a little commentary.
Wow. Commentary?
All right, here we are at the lawnmower races. Just kidding. It's a big show. There it is, folks. And I'm telling you what, it's throwing grass. Get out of my way, I got work to do. And there it goes. How cool is that? And there's the man behind the controls. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Look at that. Zero turn. It's a zero turn rig. How cool. Just how cool is that? Oh, bumped the tree a little. No problem, it just zero turns and back out we go. Oh yeah, look at that, room's right in there too. Oh, out and around a little and perfect. That's what I'm talking about. It does it all, folks. The good news is he didn't run over himself or me. Who said we had to push the mower? It doesn't have to be pushed. Yeah, no, it's just run right there. You relax and run the remote. How cool is that?
Until I get the whole thing done, but you can stop it if you want.
Okay, how do we stop?